It just reminds me of New York. The only thing is the architecture. There's nothing like this back home, but it still makes Paris very special.
My name is Scott Cutler, CEO of StockX, and I want to welcome you to StockXchange in Paris.
StockX in Paris.
Là, je suis à l'event StockX à Paris.
New York, London, Milan. It doesn't live up to Paris.
Good music, pretty people.
Pour un peu ouvrir le débat et pas non plus trop stresser sur le mot qui fait peur à tout le monde, la globalisation. Finalement, on court tous après les mêmes choses, mais on les vit chacun à notre façon. Chacun a quand même sa personnalité. C'est ça aussi le streetwear, c'est finalement StockX qui rassemble finalement à un point précis tout ce que tout le monde recherche, mais ça viendra à chaque fois de l'individualité de chacun, de créer, d'écrire son histoire et d'être tous différents malgré, encore une fois, un lien commun assez fort.
StockX is in France now. They want to interact with Parisians to celebrate. We ask different actors of the community from streetwear, some Parisians like Pedro and myself, to curate our favorite products that you can find on StockX. And there is Ruba and Angelo from New York who give their touch as well.
I was asked to put together 10 items that describe my narrative of streetwear history, starting with the Keith Haring Pop Shop tee to the Gare, Supreme.
I wanted to bring a bit more, like, a variety of music, heavy metal. I wanted to bring, electro, of course, with Daft Punk.
If we're connected to music somehow, objects connected to that music movement are important to us. If we're connected to a sport, celebrity, an artist, whatever connects us to them through an object becomes much more personal. But then there's the object itself. Some objects just have that essence. The Jordan one, the Chicago, has that essence. It's been around for decades, and I don't think anything's come close. They try, but I don't think anyone can beat it.
So I go by the name of Stéphane, and I have a brand called Pigalle. But it's more than a brand, it's my neighborhood. Yeah, actually I had a call from Sarah, obviously from Colette. She called me and told me that StockX is going to come in town and do something, and maybe I should be involved and showcase some of my stuff around basketball, because this is really what I live for.
StockX asked me to do like the identity of this event. This end bringing an object to another end. You may draw different ends, so there's not one logo, there's a lot of possibilities. And that's what we've shown on the workshop. It was like doing a t-shirt. You can use this hand from here and pick the typography from left, and these other ends will come from here. So it's cool because you can really do your own logo.
I worked at Colette from 1997 to 2017. When we announced we were about to close, Nike Jordan proposed to do a sneaker for the team. We kept some pairs. 2 years later, 2019, we decided to sell them for a charity, Oceana, who protects the oceans. This is really the last 30 pairs in the world.
Paris is just such an important part of the convergence of all the different categories that we operate in. Sneakers, streetwear, fashion, art. To be here with that audience, it was just the perfect place to do it, and frankly, it came out awesome. The future of StockX in Paris and everywhere else is releasing exclusive product that doesn't exist anywhere else. Good use of props, right?
Yeah, that's good.
Cut.